One of the things that makes a seed suppressor different than anything else on the market is the fact that we have a self-cleaning design. That self-cleaning design, the contiguous bore, this is what makes it a low back pressure can. It was designed that way. We didn't modify it by drilling holes in cones. It was designed from the ground up to be low back pressure and self-cleaning. This is what separates us from most anybody else on the market. The gas travels from one chamber to the next, and as it's doing so, it's bringing all of that material to the perimeter. There is no place along the perimeter of this geometry that's attached to the inside of the can where debris can collect to any significant degree. Because the gas is forced to go to the outside and scrub in this way, it's like following a screw to the end of the unit. It's a helical motion, and there are multiple channels traveling in that direction. As it spirals around, and there is no dead head space in this can except where the end cap is, there is no 360-degree bulkhead. It's an all open diffuser, and it scrubs the can clean. This can is self-cleaning. You would never have to clean it. You could put 100,000 rounds through it. It's only as dirty as 4 or 5 rounds. Yes, carbon will get on the face of the diffusers and that sort of thing, but the next round blows it off and so on. It will not build up like you would get when you have geometry that traps debris, copper, and carbon fouling. This eliminates that.